Let's take a look at this one.
We start with the writer.
All right, so we're going through the mountains, having some fun. Looks like Arizona.
Which he believes was the main reason for his
Tires, main reason for the fall. Okay, so 15 miles an hour recommended turn right here. We're not going that. Leaned it a little bit too far, and we low-sided. Now, tires, I mean, tires could be a factor when it comes to the crash. You know, if you don't have a lot of tread or you've been wearing them down, you're not really taking care of them, low PSI, damage to the tire, a little bit of gravel on the road, reducing that traction. There's a bunch of different things that could cause that, but what is it that we typically see when we're out riding, or not riding, but when we're out here watching these live streams? So what we have here is that we're going through the canyons, okay? Having a lot of fun. Look at the sign right there. It's basically a U-turn, okay? We have a very sharp U-turn sign, and it's recommending 15 miles per hour, and we're going about 36. Now, I get it, motorcycle riders and motorcycles, we can take these turns a little bit faster and whatnot, but that curve right there, that's not a 90-degree curve. You're going to have to turn and then turn immediately again. So if you lean down really hard like it's going to be a 90-degree turn, you're not going to be able to have the turning radius and the traction and everything to make that second half of that turn. So we typically see people crash halfway through one of these U-turn turns, okay? So right there, it even says 15 miles per hour. You're absolutely right. So right here, if this was a 90-degree turn, we would have just continued. You know, we could have straightened it up and then, you know, kept going if it was a 90-degree turn. But we're turned super hard, and now we don't have enough. We don't have any more turning. We're leaned down way too far. Not enough. We don't have any more to turn, and we're not going to make the turn. So we need to slow it down a little bit so we can continue making it. So I forgot exactly where he crashed, but more than likely right there. Okay, more than likely right there. Yep. It's about halfway. So slow it down. If your tires aren't the greatest, why are you going fast? Did he miss the fist bump? Is he going to fist bump right there? Oh. Missed the fist bump. All right, here we go. Riding through. GeoMTZ passing on WL. Not a big deal. Whatever. You guys do what you do. But set yourself up for this corner coming up here. Didn't set himself up for this corner. Just kept speeding into it and went wide. Slow it down. Slow it down. Simple as that. Crash video warning. We're going to go right into that sign, aren't we? Oh, dump the bike. Going a little too fast for our skill level in the corner. Now, our skill level could be way lower than this person. They could be way higher than this person, but it doesn't matter. The corner and your skill level need to match. It's at minimum. It should be that your skill level is way better than the corner. If it's not, and your skill level is, worse than the corner, then you need to slow it down to reduce that risk to match that corner. So just slow it down. Just slow it down for your skill level. All right, here we go. Sharp left turn. Oh, lost a little traction. Got extremely lucky. Has this happened to any of you guys before? It was a little scary. Write in the comments if that's ever happened to you when you're turning.